When I got this, I wanted it for the cooling system to dissipate the heat from my laptop. I like the many positions you are able to support the laptop by adjusting the lockable joint buttons on the aluminum legs. They advertise that you can use it as a stand by the couch. However, as you can see, it's just a little stumpy for the task. It supports my 17-inch laptop just barely. However, I do have 15-inch laptops that it supports just fine. The only thing I do not like about this stand is that while you're typing, it starts bouncing, making it hard to read what I am typing. Only if it had a lockable support bracket in the back lip to support that from happening. That would just make this perfect. I have had this for over a month and it has not damaged the lockable joints in any way, but yet it does support the laptop well. In the rear of the stand towards the top is the power switch. As you see, the fans turn on and off by the switch. It has a detachable power adapter cord that with some experience you can unplug and plug it in with one hand. You can adjust the stand at any angle within 360 degrees. However, you must do it without the laptop on it. Also, in front, it has two stopping brackets to keep the laptop from sliding off forward. My overall impression of this laptop stand is that it does support the laptop well, and it does cool the laptop off. You can adjust the angle to your liking, and it does support a 17-inch laptop. Things I don't like about this is that it's flimsy with no support in the back of it. If there's any questions that I haven't covered, please leave it down below. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Thanks.